Between balancing your life and your academics, learning how to use campus resources, and the technical aspects of college that people don't show you, wouldn't it be nice to have a group of people to help you out along the way? See whether you need a tutorial, advice, or just some positivity. The Presidential Student Ambassadors have you covered. Our website is host to over 600 speeches covering every part of the WVU experience. This tour of our page will show you a slice of what the ambassadors have to offer, and we strongly encourage you to use this resource to your advantage. Find speeches to learn, maxims to inspire, our application form, and even more. All of this can be found at ambassadors.wvu.edu. After you learn what all there is to find, I hope you poke around on your own. When you first open the page up, you are greeted by our homepage. You can explore the tabs or scroll up and down to find our mission statements and more. For all of our speeches and peer advice, the PSAs from the PSAs tab is the place to look. We have videos on everything from college advice, tutorials, tips on staying healthy, academic resources, and stories of West Virginians who have made us proud. Clicking on any of these will reveal just a few of the hundreds of videos we've produced over the years. Scrolling up and down reveals subsections to each topic to help you narrow down your search. And at the bottom is a link to a YouTube playlist of the full set of videos. The PSA's home option will let you see all of these subsections. So if, for instance, let's say you're a sophomore who wants to learn how to get new scholarships from a delightfully witty and charming host, you may search under the Academic Success tab where you find a playlist of over 67 videos. Scrolling around to find the one you want, and clicking on it will bring up a speech specially selected by you. There's much more to find on our website than just our speeches. Here at Meet the PSAs, you can see all of our cohorts. Here's my cohort, and clicking on a profile will let you learn a little bit about each ambassador and view the speeches that they've created. Our News tab will show you what we've been doing to help in our community. And our photo gallery shows off pictures of these adventures and our events. We've also, throughout our time in the program, selected certain leadership maxims, quotes that we believe embody leadership. You can find these under the Maxims tab. These maxims come from leaders across the globe and across time, selected by leaders across campus. So if you need a good quote to inspire, just to pick me up, we have you covered. Perhaps in scrolling around, you believe that you have something to add. If you want to join this group, there's one tab left to discuss. The website includes a tab titled Nominate/Apply Now. To become a Presidential Student Ambassador, a student must qualify under very high requirements and be nominated by a faculty member on campus. If you've been nominated, you will receive an email and be asked to complete a resume and an essay. If you have not been nominated, or would rather do this than asking a professor to nominate you, you may collect 2 letters of recommendation from professors and have them emailed to Dr. Atkins before the submission date is due, usually around the mid-semester grading point. I highly encourage you to try and join. So as you can see, we have a lot to offer all around our website. With a brief overview of the site, you feel more confident to find what you're looking for. I encourage you to look around and see just one part of what this great program does. This website and speech video database are a resource for you as a student or even as a member of our faculty to use and to learn and to help others. If you know somebody who needs help with something, our speeches are a great resource to link them to. Presidential Student Ambassadors have a role as leaders of student voice on campus. So get to know us, and if you see a PSA, feel free to speak to us. We're always on the lookout for student voice.